guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my good friend Amy in the house. I'm going to teach you guys how to get the hair a little bit brighter, kick through bands, kick through brass, kick through old lowlights, while keeping the hair as healthy as possible. Her hair is a little compromised, as you guys will see, but I'm sure it's going to be 100% fine, and I'm going to show you guys my tips and tricks on how I like to overlap blonde hair while keeping it healthy. If this is something you guys want to see, hit the subscribe button and continue watching. Hey guys, so today I'll be taking my good friend and client Amy a little bit lighter for springtime. We just darkened her up last session 6 weeks ago, and she is just like me when it comes to changing her mind and her hair. We have done a few tutorials together already. They are linked down below in my description box and on my card as well. Check them out after this video. If you aren't following me on Instagram, feel free to do so by clicking the Instagram link in my bio. I post tons of content and education all the time on there. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel and show your support. Many videos are on the way and you don't want to miss them. Click the bell so you're notified every time a new video drops. So I'm using Fanola's 24K Keratin Lightening Powder with only 20 volume. If you guys are looking for a very gentle and safe lightener with less damage as possible, this is the lightener you need in your arsenal. Amy's hair is a little compromised from all of the changes throughout the last year, so I want it to be safe as possible and use the safest lightener on the market, and that is the 24K Lightening Powder from Fanola. Let me tell you guys, it did its job. When it comes to brightening and lightening a blonde client's hair, there's only one way to do that, and that is by using Lightener. Lightener, aka bleach, is damaging. It doesn't matter if you're using Olaplex or Fiberfix. Yes, these bond builders will help keep the hair safe and a lot more healthier than it would be without it. But at the end of the day, we are poking holes into the hair and breaking up the pigment to allow the hair to become lighter. Think of poking holes into a straw. The more you lighten and overlap the hair, the more holes you poke. When you get to that pale yellow white, there is barely anything left holding the hair together, and that's why us colorists always tell our clients when blonde to baby their hair and use great products because they are very prone to breakage and damage. When going lighter, I have a few ways to overlap blonde pre-lightened hair more carefully, and I'll be showing you guys here today what they are. I hope you guys love foiling and longer videos because today that's what I have for you guys, a longer video than normal. One of my ways to lighten the hair in a safe way is never to use more than 20 volume on previously lightened blonde hair. 20 or lower is my go-to when overlapping a bleach. When doing the root touch-up, I focus on applying my product on the new regrowth, and if there's hair that's light enough on the ends, I will just kick the hair out of the foil and fold it up. If the hair has brass or previous lowlights, I will apply my product on the new regrowth, and then when my brush has barely any product left, I scrape my brush over the previously lightened hair so it won't saturate too much. This is still going to be enough product to lift the hair, but not crazy like the new regrowth. For the hair left out in between the foils, I will tease them and apply lightener with only 10 volume a little bit later on after I foil the entire head. I only like teasing the dropouts now on in my career when the clients are a level 6, 7, or lighter. These foils do not get heat, so they're not good to do when you have anything below a level 6. And you have to remember the foils against the head will get a lot more heat, so they process a lot more better. As you guys continue watching, you'll see that I'm really just focusing on that fresh level 5 regrowth and any lowlights or dark brass. This Fanola lightener is very gentle and I feel very safe overlapping her hair. If I didn't think her hair could handle it, I wouldn't be doing it. After this session, we are going to just touch up her regrowth every 6 weeks and focus on getting her hair healthier and let it grow out over the summer.
Hold on, get through, you'll make it out okay. Fight for what you are. A leap of faith won't drag it out again, I'll show
trick I love doing is applying my lightener on the regrowth, and then some parts that are already light, instead of risking the integrity of her hair, I will use my weave comb to pick the darker pieces out, then put another foil on top of the foil I already have in the hair, and then I'll take those darker pieces and apply my product. Doing this is more work and adds time to the whole process, but it keeps the lighter pieces or really damaged pieces out and keeps the hair lightener off of them. Amy has most of her breakage in the back crown area since before she even got her hair done by me the first time. And surprisingly, after all the sessions of bleach, her hair has not broken anymore. It actually has grown in that area. Very, very strange how really strong her hair is, even though she has really curly hair. The hair around the entire hairline and back crown is more fragile and prone to damage on most people. This trick adds more time to our service, but you want to keep your client's hair as healthy as possible. By me being safe in doing these extra steps, Amy's hair had zero breakage during this session. If you are new to foiling or just nervous about fragile hair being touched by a lightener, you can take a conditioning mask like Fanola's NutriCare mask or Olaplex No. 2 treatment, and after applying your lightener on the regrowth, apply one of these treatments on the ends of the hair, then fold the foil up. This will act as a barrier, so if any lightener does hit that fragile porous hair, the conditioner will protect it.
Hold on, get through. You'll make it out okay. Fight for what you are. A leap of faith won't drag it out again. I'll show you there is more to me. You know what I want. I'll spell it out if I need to.
If you guys have been supporting me for a while now, you probably noticed I've been using different foils lately. You guys know I love frame art foils, but lately I've been loving these food service foils that are more flimsy. I am able to pack a lot more in easier than frame art's embossed ones. Frame art also has ones just like these that I've been using as well. You have to rip them yourself, but I love these ones from Amazon more because they are a little bit bigger. And then you rip them in half, you get 1,000 of them, where frame art's foils you only get about 400. So many freaking foils, you guys. Once I finished all the baby lights around the head, I mixed a bowl of 10 volume with Fiber Fix and teased all the dropouts around the entire head. She then processed for about 35 minutes, and then I pulled the foils and shampooed her with Fanola's Fiber Fix shampoo. I then applied Fiber Fix Part 2 all over her mids and ends and used my new frame art brush to detangle her hair. She had barely any damage, you guys. I am very impressed with this 24K Keratin Lightening powder. I ended up mixing my favorite root shadow formula, which is Goldwell Colorance 7N 7NA. We usually always tap Amy's hair with a level 8, but I'm using this 7N 7NA because it adds a little depth but not too crazy. After I applied her root shadow, I let her process for about 10 minutes.
Hold on, get through, you'll make it out okay. Fight for what you are. A leap of faith won't drag it out again. I'll show you there is more to me. You know what I want, I'll spell it out if I need to. Afraid of the fall, I'll spell it out if I need to. I know what I want. Do you? Won't let you hold me back. Hold on, get through, you'll make it out okay. Fight for what you are.
For her toner, I mixed up a few things. We always do level 7s and 8s, but we wanted to brighten her up for the springtime, so I used Shades EQ, of course, 9N, 9P, 8GI, 8V, 8VB. There's nothing more satisfying than combing that root shadow through at the bowl with the Olaplex to blend it seamlessly, and then applying that toner. Oh my god, you guys, look at that blend, look at that color. It's gonna be gorgeous.
Afraid of the fall, I'll spell it out if I need to. I know what I want. Do you? Won't let you
It looks great. It feels great. She's back.
Woo.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Alright guys, so another video is now in the history books. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Constructive criticism is always welcome. If you haven't joined the family yet, don't forget to do so. I post new videos every Tuesday and every other Friday. Click the bell so you're notified every single time a video is posted. Thanks again, you guys, for all the love and support. We have just hit 600 supporters today, and this is just the beginning. I love you all so very much, and until the next video, so long for now.
Not fading out again.